Hello everyone, welcome back to my 30 days of JavaScript LeetCode challenge. Today's problem is compact object. We will write a function that removes all falsy values from an object or array including nested ones. Let's see what question says us. Question gives us either an object or array called object obj. We need to return a compact object, which means any key whose value is falsy should be removed. This applies recursively to all nested objects or arrays. Arrays are treated just like objects where indices are keys. A value is called falsy if boolean value returns false. So falsy value in JavaScript include null, undefined, false, 0, none, empty string. The input is guaranteed to be valid JSON, so everything is just numbers, strings, booleans, null, array and plain object. You can go through the examples. There are in total 3 examples. And let's see the thought process now. Now let's think about how to solve this question. We need to support both object and arrays, and we also have to process the main array. The main idea is if object is a primitive value like number, string, boolean, null, we just return it as it is and let the parent decide whether to keep or not. If object is an array, we create a new array. We loop through each element. For each element, we recursively compact it. If the result is truthy, boolean result is true, we push it into the array. Finally, we return this new filtered array. If object is an object, we create a new empty object. We loop through each key. For each key, we recursively compact its value. If the compacted value is truthy, we keep this key in the new object. Finally, we return this new object. The key rules we follow are: first, we always recurse first on nested structures. Then we check if the resulting value is truthy. If it is falsy, we drop it. Empty arrays and empty objects are truthy, so they stay. That's exactly how we match all the given elements. Now let's see the code. First, we define compact object which can receive either an object or an array. Then, if object is null or not an object, so it's a number, string, boolean, etc., we simply return it as it is. We don't compact here. The parent caller decides whether to keep or drop it based on its truthiness. And this handles the array. If object is an array, we create an empty array result. We go through each item in the array. We call compact object of item recursively to clean up nested structures. If the cleaned up value is truthy, we push it into result. Finally, we return the new filtered array. This handles the plain object. If it's not an array and not null, then it's a plain object. We create an empty object result. We loop over each key in the original object. For each key, we compact its value recursively. If the compacted value is truthy, we keep that key and assign it to result. At the end, we return this new compacted object. And that's the compact object problem done. We learned how recursively clean up object and arrays, remove all falsy values from deeply nested structures, understand truthy versus falsy values in JavaScript. If this video helped you understand recursion and data cleanup better, please like the video, comment your doubts or thoughts and subscribe for more daily JavaScript LeetCode videos. I will see you tomorrow for the next problem in the 30 days of JavaScript challenge. Thank you everyone. Thank you.